and today we'll talk about epistemological ideology. Even when the challenging of existing belief is encouraged as a scientific theories, the dominant paradigm and mindset can prevent a certain challenges, theories, or experiment from being advanced. A special case of science that is inspired ideology is ecology, which studies the relationship among the living things on the earth. The perceptual psychologist James Wilson believed that human perception of ecological relationship was based on self-awareness and cognition itself. Linguist George Lakoff has proposed a conjunctive science of mathematics, where even the most fundamental ideas of arithmetic will be seen as a consequential or product of a human perception, in which itself is a necessary evolved with an ideology. Deep ecology and modern ecology movement, and some lesser degree green parties appear to have been adopted ideological science as a positive ideology. Some notable economically based ideologies include neoliberalism, monetarianism, mechanism, mixed economy, social Darwinism, communism, laissez-faire economism, free trade. These are also current theories of a safe trade and fair trade that can be seen as an ideologies. And ideology and the social sciences. Psychological research. A large amount of research in psychology is concerned with causes of a consequence and content of ideology. According to system justification theory, ideologies reflect movement process as opposed to the view of a political convention, and always reflect independent and based thinking. Just Logarwood and Hadlin 2008 proposed that ideologies may function as a prepacked unit of interpretation that can spread because of the basic human motivation to understand the world, avoid existential threat, and mainly valid interpersonal relationship. The author concluded that such motivation may lead to disproportionally to the adoption of a system justifying worldview. Psychologists generally agreed that personality trait, individuals, and different variables need an ideology belief seems to be having something in common. Semiotic theory. According to semiotician Bob Hodge, ideology identify a unitarily objective that incorporate complex sets meaning with the social agent and process that produce them. No other term captures this object as well as ideology. First, episteme is a narrow and abstract, not a social enough. His discussion popular because it covers some of the ideology terrain with less baggage. It is too confined to verbal system. Worldview is too metaphysical and propaganda too loaded. Despite or because of its contradiction, ideology still play the key role in a semiotical oriented to a social political life. Authors such as Michael Frame has also received proportionate systematic analysis to the study of ideology. And sociologists define the ideology as a cultural belief that justify particular society arrangement, including the pattern of inequality, dominant group, use of this set of cultural belief and practices to justify system of an inequality that maintain their group of social power over non-dominant group. Ideologies uses society symbol system to organize social relations in a hierarchy, with some social identity being superior to the other social identities, which are considered inferior. The dominant ideology is in a social path along through a society, major social institutions such as media, the family, education, and religion. As a society changed through history, so did the ideologies that justify systems of inequality.